It's Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got fresh noodles coming at you from FreshRamenForAll.com. That's the number 4all.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. You can also find them on Etsy. And they're fresh noodles, and you order them, and they ship them out, and you get them, and you cook them up like I'm doing today. I already got the broth heated up. Now I'm going to cook the noodle. This noodle is a, there's two types. There's the Hakata, and then there's the yellow wavy noodles. These right here. So I will drop these into Berlin Werder. And that goes for 2 minutes and 15 seconds. So here go those. Keep moving around a little bit at the outset so they don't get all clampy. But wow, crazy week. So I discovered, you know, I like to do all my walking and stuff. Oh, by the way, here's the bag that they come in. They come in these really neat freezer bags with a freezer pouch with them. And this is the Nagoya variety bag. Comes with extras that you'll see when I put the garnish on. But yeah, so they've been building this sidewalk between Kenmore and Bothell for a while now, and they completed it. So I walked a little bit of it on Monday, and then on Wednesday when my daughter didn't have school, I took her on it, and we walked and walked and walked and walked and walked. And then found, oh wait, now there's no sidewalk, and there's just kind of a shoulder, and there's cars whizzing by. I'm like, no. Went back to the stoplight, crossed the street. Sidewalk again. Sidewalk. What? There's a car dealership with cars backed up almost all the way into that. And we got a little bit further than on the first side of the street, but we didn't get too far. And that was just like, oh well. It looks like taking the Burt Gilman Trail all the way to the first bridge, cutting over to this other park. I don't know what it's called. Like something Creek Park, but if you take that and then go into downtown Bothell, that'll get you further, at least I think. So maybe next time I will give that a go. But yeah, it was fun. It was nice. I really like taking my daughter. She's not gonna fit in that stroller much longer. I mean, I can, you know, 1, 2, 3 jump, and she hops in and gets in there, but it's like it's got straps and buckles and stuff. It's like, forget it. No, she's 5 now, so it ain't gonna happen. But we still have fun going and walking around. It's like some nights after we get them in bed, you know, we'll ask them like, so what was your favorite part of the day? And when she tells me that going on the walk was her favorite part, that makes me super happy. I really dig that. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, she's partying up at school right now in her pajamas. That's like the whole big thing. The last day of school, you get to wear your pajamas. I never got to wear pajamas when I went to school. I don't know that I wanted to. I don't know. I'd have to ask myself many years ago about my thoughts on it. So this is the Nagoya variety. I want to say this is a spicy one. It definitely has a nice oiliness to the broth I can see at the outset. That's what I want to try first. There's a lot of nice toppings that come with it. Oh, this has stuff in it. I like stuff in it. Oh boy. Let's look at the stuff in it. Here, look. Here we go. See, little bits of stuff. What is this stuff? Here's the broth. A lighter spoon might have worked better. It's not spicy, but it's got a nice, it's got a tang to it, almost like definitely not vinegar, I don't think, but it's got a nice. That's good. Let's try this noodle. Mmm. So I don't know if Torson at FreshRamenForAll.com is using somebody else's noodle or making her own. Either way, good pick. This is very nice. So let's see what we got to add in. We've got Chinese chives, ground pork, more nori, and is that everything? Yeah. And then some bean sprouts. So since the Christmas tree went up, whoa, these are like, these have traveled, and these bean sprouts are incredibly good looking, I gotta say. I don't know how she's pulling. I will have to ask about that. Chinese chives. What's a Chinese chive? I'm thrilled by that. I like greenliness. These are very green. And then we got this pork. I want to say there was like more in there. I mean, there's nori, but I want to say there was another piece of something. Maybe I dropped it out. Okay, so here's the pork. I'm gonna kind of, there we go. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. Let's try the pork. Mmm. Yep. That's grubbing. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna... You know, I thought I was gonna be using... I don't think an egg really fits in here. However... God, that's good. That is really good. I'm not kidding. I dig that. Let's put in this nori, aka seaweed. Alright. Whoop. Take a gander at that. All right, so we got one more, and that will be the curry miso. I'm really looking forward to that. All right, see you tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.